Affiliate marketing forums. Are they worth using in 2019? Let's find out. Hey, Thomas Garetz here. Thanks for tuning in. So before I answer that question, I like to let you know, if you're new here, that we upload 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And all of our videos have to do on how to make money online with affiliate marketing and helping you do just that. So if that's the type of stuff you're interested in, or you're maybe interested in learning about that, consider going down below and subscribing. I'd really appreciate it. And after hitting subscribe, don't forget to hit that little bell notification. Then you get notified every time I upload. Now, to answer the question, yes, they are worth using in 2019. Now, there is a little caveat there, and that is that I don't personally use them. So in this video, I'm going to show you what I think is the best affiliate marketing forum or make money online forum to learn about all this digital marketing stuff. And then I'll tell you kind of like the forum-like place that I go that I think is the best place to go in 2019. Now, you've probably heard of this forum before, but I'm going to hop into my computer and I'm going to show you that. All right, welcome to the inside of my computer. So this is Warrior Forum, and this is like the most well-known forum, and I believe the best one, and I'll show you the reason why. So for one, it's free, right? There's tons of forums on this stuff, and some of them you have to pay monthly, and that's, in my opinion, a little ridiculous. But I mean, if you're paying monthly, that means the people there got a little more money, so maybe it's better. That's totally up to you, but this is where I would start, especially if you're new to this stuff, because it's free. And free is, in most cases, better. Depends what type of thing you're talking about, but in this case, I believe it's better. So if you want to check it out, just go to warriorforum.com. If you want to sign up, what you do is you just click sign up here. You can enter your username, email, password, or continue with Google. I made one just to kind of see like how it all works because like I said, I don't do this because I think there's a better way, and I'll tell you that after this. But that's how you would do that. So then you sign up, and why I think this is the best forum is because there are a lot of forums where they like are so against the linking and stuff like that, and you don't have a signature, and that's how people used to make money on forums. They used to just answer people's questions, and then they have like signatures, or they would just provide value, and then eventually people see you as the expert, and that's how you make money with your signature or whatever. And so why signatures are so valuable is because let's click on one of these. Let's click this one, right? So what a signature is it's like below your post, right? Everyone has a signature. And you can see some people don't. I don't know why they don't, but okay, here's a guy with a signature. So right there, you provide value, and that's what you want to do in any case. You always want to provide value. You don't want to be like, buy my product, here's my link. People aren't gonna respond very well to that. I mean, think about it if like, it's like a used car salesman, right? People trying to sell you super hard. That stuff just doesn't typically work. You might get one person, but typically it's not gonna work. The best way to go about it is always provide value on the front end, and that's how you'll get people to buy your stuff, basically. So what you're gonna do here is you're just gonna, let's look at the question. Hello experts, organic SEO versus social media marketing, which is better? So then people just like answer the question, they provide value, and you can tell like this guy, he put some time into his stuff, and then below here in his signature, he has something that he sells, or like his main offer. So that's really how forums they'd work, and that's how you want to go about it. You just want to go into every discussion where you think you can provide value and answer their question. I mean, even if you don't know the answer to the question, Google it, find an answer, mix it all together, and write it down in your own words, and then provide value, and then in your signature you have a link to your offer. And that's pretty much as simple as it gets. And that's why forums can be more powerful than the thing I'm about to show you, which is Facebook groups. So I use this in one of my other videos. It's I'll link up above to it. It was a whole video I did on Facebook groups and providing value. So what you do, it's the same idea, right? You find people that ask questions and you provide value. Okay, so let's look. This one, the reason why I use this as an example, I want you guys to do the work on your own, right? Like, I don't mind helping, but it's so simple to find Facebook groups, and I don't want you to just hop in the ones that I'm in and just copy what I'm doing. You got to do it on your own, and it's super easy to learn. I mean, obviously you have to do the research and kind of figure out what you're going to be doing as your niche. Like, obviously, if you're going to do the make money online for affiliate marketing niche, you just go here, you type in affiliate marketing, and then you go to groups, and that you just look for ones you want to find. Okay, here, I'll just show you, for example, right? Like right here, this is not a group you want to join, because look at all people just spamming. No comments, nothing. Like, you don't want to join a group like this, okay? This is just a scam. It's literally people just buy and sell offers, right? Like, it does not work. And then you go to one like this. For one, it's going to be a private group. That's how you know it's probably a decent group. And then you can go down here, you can see how many posts there is today. That's 9 posts. So then you would just hit join group. They usually have questions, right? So let's join it. Yeah, and then they have questions, and then they usually put your email and you get some type of freebie, and that's how that works. So this is a good group to join. I'm not in this one, but he's calling. He's cool. He's good. I've watched some of his stuff. He knows the deal. He knows the deal, you know. But so there's a perfect group for you to join. But let's go back to my example on Catlin's group. They are really, really good at like getting to the questions fast. He has some people helping him. So, I mean, you could still try, but you got to be quick on it. Like, when someone asks a question, you got to be the first to answer. And you don't have to be the first that answers. But if other people answered who aren't the leader of the group or whatever, your answer just has to be better. It has to provide more value. It has to be even longer. I mean, you don't have to write super long, but sometimes you want to. You want to just drop a straight value bomb on them and just answer the question and some, and don't ask for anything. Like, yeah, we don't have signatures on Facebook groups, but the beautiful thing about Facebook groups is if you, for example, let's look at my profile. So for mine, I have, you have your cover photo, right? And then that's like another way for them to get into your funnel. And then you have your featured photo and then your intro. You want to have your complete Facebook page optimized. The reason being is let's go back, is when, for example, you answer a question. So when you provide value, the reason why you want to have your Facebook page optimized is because they click on your page, they go check it out, and if they like what they see, or they think that you're going to help them and provide them value, because really, most people, what's in it for me, right? That's what most people want, and that's totally fine. But because that's how people think, you have to help them in that way. You have to provide value knowing that it's about them. So you want your page to say exactly what you do. And if it is something that they're interested in and they think it can help them, they're going to add you as a friend. And that's how you do it. And it's super good strategy. It works very well. Now, I think video is kind of like the future. And that's why I'm doing YouTube and focusing so heavily on that. But if you're not into that type of stuff, you don't have to do video. Just go on Facebook or go to the forums even. Do both. But you don't want to put too many eggs in too many baskets. You want to focus heavily on like one, maybe 2 things, because you don't want to spread yourself too thin, right? So I would suggest, if you don't want to do videos, and if you're like, I just can't do videos, first of all, everyone can do videos. I know it's hard at first. It was hard for me too. I mean, it's still not easy. It takes time, but videos live forever. Your comment on a Facebook group post, it doesn't really live forever, right? But anyways, so my point is, if video's out the window, you don't want to do that, that's totally fine. I still think you should try it. You never know. But Facebook groups and forums are definitely the best way to get people to see you, have eyes on your page, and learn about what you're about. And before you do that, remember, you have to optimize your profile. So once again, check out that video I linked above. And that's about all I got for this video. Hey, thanks for watching. So before I end this video, I have a quick question for you. And answer honestly. So put in the comments down below, which are you going to use? Are you going to use forums, or are you going to use Facebook groups? And if you're not going to use either, let me know which strategy you're going to use. I'm interested in it. So let me know in the comments down below. So once again, thank you for watching. If you got some value out of this, don't forget to hit that like button on your way down to comment. Okay, so thank you. Till next time.